Hello crafters, let's make some blue sparkly snowflake earrings on Sophia the Hobbit Crafter. For supplies, we're going to need gloves, a mold, some tools, a heat gun, some black mica powder, some black alcohol ink, a variety of blue sparkles, some cups, and some UV resin, some colorful snowflake confetti, and let's get started. First, I'm going to put my blue glitter into one of my cups. Sparkly. Then we're going to mix the black mica powder with a little bit of black ink, add some resin, and we're going to stir it up nicely. Yes, it looks beautiful. I want this black to be a solid black and not clear at all. I'm trying to get some contrast on these earrings. I'm going to use a heat gun to kind of heat up the resin so that the bubbles come out. I'm going to put some resin in the middle of my molds because I want the middle of mine to be clear. You can change this up as much as you want. Oh no, I made a mistake, but that's okay. This is very forgiving. So I just scoot it aside and keep going. Then I'm going to use a silicone stir stick thing and move it where I want it, and it looks pretty cool. Then I'm going to take some of my really cool snowflake sequences or confetti, whatever you want to call it, and I put them in one at a time. And I also move the resin around a little just to keep it where it's supposed to be. I was going for something really unique with this piece, and I really think that this, it turned out better than I thought it would. Add some UV, and let's go ahead and demold. Yes, this looks really cool. I really like the blue sparkles and the black. And I don't know, something about the clear in the middle, I think it's very unique. Next, I'm going to sand just one side, the side with the bevel. The resin likes to stick up on the mold, so usually you'll get a beautiful flat side and then a beveled side. And so I just kind of sand off the bevel, and then I cover the side that I sanded with more resin so that it looks beautiful. I'm going to use my silicone stick to stir it around, make it all even. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and put the studs on. Get the bubbles out so it looks beautiful. This also helps spread it around a little bit, and add UV. Ooh, these look really cool. I'm excited to finish them. Here's the finished studs. Okay, I'm going to use a jump ring that looks like it'll work, and then just attach it. First earring done. I'm going to do the same thing for the second earring. Wow, these are really sparkly and very unique looking. I've never seen earrings like this before. I'm learning I really like transparent middles. I also like it at the bottom, but the middle is just like, wait, that's see-through? What is this? Anyway, I think it turned out really cool. And we're done. If you have any questions or comments, please post below, and I will probably answer them soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great winter.